Assalamu alaikum students, this is your teacher Umayma Mariam for the course titled Discovering Islam. This course is basically for everyone who's interested in understanding the basic principles of Islam, who wants to know what are the basic concepts in religion all about, what is the purpose and the wisdom behind the Quranic directives, what is the theoretical background of the beliefs, rites and rituals that we do perform in our religion, what is the significance of each of the directives, and what is the argument that Quran itself presents for what it says. So we will also get to question our preconceived notions about religion, the purpose of our existence, the structure of the society that we live in, the significance of what Quran tells us to do, how Quran wants us to, live and approach life. And then we will eventually get to compare and contrast those religious concepts with our preconceived notions of each of the issues that you must have seen in your course outline. For example, the social directives in Quran or the political directives or Sharia in Quran. So this is pretty much what the course is going to be all about. I hope we have a good time together. See you in class soon.